Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Shnik. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful vase. I have made it with a cardboard. I had a box extra at my home. Actually I was going to throw it, but then I thought of upcycling it. I have used a very simple procedure. You can follow that procedure and you can use that on any other material. To understand the procedure, please watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. And do comment and let us know your feedbacks. Start with removing extra sides of this box. Put these larger portions at the bottom of the box to make it firm. Stick the tissue paper with water and glue to the box. Cover all the sides, even the bottom. Once you are done, let it dry for at least 2 to 3 hours. Apply a paste of plaster of Paris and glue. Don't make it too thin, don't make it too hard. Make it spreadable and spread it on the box with a knife, or you can use any flat tool that you have at your home. Spread it completely from bottom, all the sides also you have to cover. You don't have to add water in the paste. Now let it dry for at least 24 hours. This starfish I have made with white M seal. It's very easy to make. Stick them at the bottom and at the top of the vase. These I have found in market. You can easily find it in any craft shop and they are not that expensive, so you can buy them. If you want to make ocean theme or mermaid theme, yes, then they are very useful because we don't find them so easily. Decorate the front side more. I have even used these stones. These are colorful, but if you don't have them, you can use regular that you can find in your garden. These also I have made with M-Seal. You can watch my previous videos to know the procedure. You can find the link in the description box, so don't forget to go through it. Keep overlapping every material that you have so that it will give natural look. These small dots I have made with glue gun. I have covered the top with these colorful stones. I'm going to paint them afterwards, so that's okay if you don't have colorful. You can use regulars. Let's start coloring it now. We have to color the entire vase with dark color. So base color should be dark. If you're finding it difficult to fill the gaps, I'm going to tell you one trick today. Just dip your brush that you are using in some water and fill the gap or pour few drops in the gap, so it will fill the color as it will be liquidy. It will be easy for you to fill all the gaps. Just make sure you are not pouring too much water in it. Now we have to paint it with light color. Just highlight everything. Don't use too much color. Apply some golden color on it. On the portion that we have covered with light color, use some golden color also. For all the colors, you have to repeat the procedure to other sides also. You have to color every side equally. This is silver powder that I am applying right now with brush. Color is still wet, not that dried, so it will stick on the color and it's giving the shiny effect. It's highlighting everything properly. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to comment on our channel, like it, share it. Now the vase is ready. Let it dry. Thank you.